To create this design, I'm going to add a cube. Move this cube along the z-axis. Change the transform period point to 3D cursor. And then scale it down in this way. And then scale it along the x-axis. Then I'm going to add one more cube. And this is our cutter object. Move it along the z-axis. Now select these two objects. Go to the edit mode. Select these words and move these words along the x-axis. Then select this object, Shift D to duplicate it and give it a name 2. Select this object, Shift D to duplicate it and give it a name 2C. Hide these two objects. Select these two objects and Shift Q, use the Boolean operation difference. Then apply this Boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Hide this object, unhide these objects. Then select these two objects and use the Boolean operation intersect. Then apply this Boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Now you got these two parts here. Then select these two objects, Ctrl A, apply the scale. Then go to the edit mode. Then select these edges and move them along the x-axis. Then select these edges and add bevel on them. Then select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Now select this object, isolate it, go to the edit mode. Select this curve faces, then Shift D to duplicate it and press P to make a separate object. You will get only this part here. Select these words and E to extrude these words and move them along the x-axis. And then SX, give the value 0 like this. And then select these two objects and isolate them. Add one loop cut here and then create one cut along the z-axis. Turn on the extreme mode, select these faces and delete them. Then select this object, then use the knife tool and create cut along the z-axis. And then select these faces and delete them. Then select these two objects and join them. Then select these words and merge at last. Select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Select these words, merge at last. Then select this word and move it along the x-axis. Like this. Select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then select these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then select these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Like this. Isolate it. Then select these faces. Then deselect these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add one segment bevel. Then select this object and then SY and scale it along the y-axis. Now we should try to create topology for this design. Select this object, go to the edit mode, then use the knife tool and then create this kind of cut. Take the symmetry, dissolve this edge loop so your loop structure will be like this. You can add one loop cut here, add two loop cuts here, add two loop cuts here. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the y-axis. Select this word, merge at last, and then dissolve this edge. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then select everything, mesh and symmetry. Take the symmetry. Then go to the select and select sharper edges. And then Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Shape factor should be 1. Add a 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. And then you can hit the Ctrl 2 to add something modifier and shade smooth it. And let's start to create topology for this part. Select this face and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then dissolve these edges. Use the knife tool and create straight cut. And then dissolve this edge. and then create cut like this. Select these words and press J to connect them and dissolve this edge. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Check this loop slide option. Then select these words and merge add past and dissolve these edges. Hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdi modifier and shade smooth it. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the Z axis. Then add 2 loop cuts and create cut like this. Dissolve this edge and add 1 loop cut here. And then select everything, mesh and symmetry. Take the symmetry. Then add 2 loop cuts. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.